so this is the utility room in all its manky glory. Oh, and I have to show you what arrived today. The IKEA order. Lots of stuff there. And some stuff in there too. Happy Vlogmas day 18. Today we've been working on the utility room. Brian's still working on it now. But I'm going to show you the progress so far. Okay, here we go. Just cleared out all the crap that was on the radiator cover and ironing board. So now, nice big space. So Brian is going to start putting together the cabinets for the unit that's over here first. So the reason why Brian cut out bits of the second unit was to fit it around the radiator. So the drawers aren't actually as deep as the other cabinets or cupboards because of the thermostat for the radiator. We don't use this radiator, but we wanted to make sure we have access to it. So the drawer, what would you call it, Brian? The drawer section unit, the drawer unit will be able to be pulled out if needs be. So yeah, there you go. I've just had a shower and Brian's been a little busy bee. Gosh, all the drawers are made up. He's got one in. By the way, it's not going to be this blue. That's just a protective covering. Go, Brian. Oh my goodness, you got them done. Okay. Show me how they work. Ooh. Fabulous. And again, they're not going to be that blue. That's just a protective film. Nice. So I think Brian's a bit tired now. So I think we're going to leave that for today, and I'll keep you posted on what gets done tomorrow. Okay, bye. Say bye, Brian.